Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Icino. So Ethereum, let's check in. Went up last time, we projected new levels, came back, drew some of these little support zones. You can see here, go back to last video, check it out. Said watch for return with the rotation zone coming up. So you have 8 pushing the price coming up here. We came back to this exact level a couple times. On the 1 hour, entering the rotation zone. On the 4 hour, 8 pushing the price. See, there's the first one, there's the second one. And now breaking out to new highs. So there are multiple entries here to get. Now we could hit the first level is 909, continued higher. Again, continue to watch for pullbacks now. Again, prior resistance becomes key support. So this is a resistance area right in here. So you can watch for a return to that with the rising rotation zone on the 4 hour for a pullback rotation entry. That is going to be a key level. Next levels up is 953 to 955. You can target 950 if you like the nice round number. 1,000. Lots of people will be targeting that $1,000 mark. We mark that off right now, this $1,000 mark. It's just so we don't forget it. And then the next GAN level higher at this point is 1,044. On the next major rotation back, we'll be able to do another GAN projection to help fine-tune some of this wide area in here. Just wanted to point this out with the pause, catching up with the rotation zone, pulling back to those key levels that were highlighted on the chart pretty much to the dollar, and then moving up higher. Make sure you are trailing a stop or taking some off and then adding it back on rotations back. And always know where your stop is in case a rotation add doesn't work and we get the bigger pullback. Switching over to Monero. So Monero's been holding. Actually, we made a swing low here, swing high here, higher swing low, higher swing high, higher swing low than this one. Now we want to see if we can make a major higher swing high to keep this pattern going. So that's what we're going to be watching for, to see if we can get above and make a swing high higher than 409.81. Right now we just surpassed, we stalled out a little bit at this 25% gain level. Now we're pushing higher. Again, we have the first cross rotation zone, so we want to watch for rotations back in this rotation zone and watch them hold and then turn up. Those can be aggressive entries to get long Monero. The first target area for at least raising stops, 394.26, and this clear path right in here. Then the next major level to either take profits or raise stops again, 420. Right now we're waiting to see if this makes a new swing high, then we could do some GAN projections higher. If you just want some other quick levels in here, these won't be the most accurate, but we can do a reverse GAN box for right now, just to give us an idea. So it looks like we're going to probably have a cluster area that's 425 to 427, even if we pull up here and then rotate back. This is a reverse GAN box. I'm looking to do a forward GAN box after we get up by these highs. And then 440's intermediate level. Again, this is going into an advanced clear path all the way up here with an eventual target of 470.99. So essentially 471. Let's check in on the daily chart for Monero. So you see it dip below the rotation zone right here. Still held key support and then pop back in. So this was based, there's nothing we were doing here. We were waiting for it to prove itself out. Finally got out back up above here. Now moving up above this 25% level. So now we're going to watch for key pullbacks. If we do get a key pullback on the daily, we do not want it to close against the rotation zone again, especially with this strength building. We want to see it close within the rotation zone or preferably stay just above the 8. So keep that in mind for Monero. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Monero. We'll have more videos coming out tomorrow. Talk to everyone soon. Thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for the comments. Oh, and by the way, if you put in, I'm looking to do some other charts of things that people have commented on. Some of them are tough to do on this platform. The charts are really not good, or I cannot get them. That's why I've been delayed doing them. Other ones, I don't necessarily like charting against Bitcoin as the counterparty. Like, I like doing the US dollar, or if I was in Europe, I'd doing Euro, or if I was in Japan, I'd be doing Japanese yen. Because I like to go against a fiat currency that is convertible instead of Bitcoin. Yes, I know it can be converted, but we want something that is a little more stable. It gives better price action instead of wondering whether Bitcoin's affecting it more or the underlying cryptos affecting it more. So that's why I've been holding off a little. I'll do some at some point, but just want to give you some feedback. I prefer to do either US dollar pairs, euro pairs, yen pairs as a counterparty to most of the cryptos. It gives a lot better analysis, especially for the kind of analysis we do. That's what I have for you for tonight. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.